Well, coming out today, and out of really no surprise, Masterpool will not be racing at A2 this weekend after his crash at San Diego. Obviously, this comes as he fills in for Levi Kitchen on the West Coast after Kitchen's sickness at A1 that forced him not to race the night race and move over to the East. So Masterpool came over to fill in the West. And he even had a interview before the race saying, there's no title expectations on him. He was just over here to race and get some experience and then really get ready for the outdoors where he is more of a contender or threat, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, this is the crash right here, racing against Joe Shimoda. He went long, you know, seat bounced the face of the jump and then launched himself into the ground. And, well, bad things happened from there. If you're watching or if you're following Steve Mathis, Pulp MX, whatever you want to call it, saying he has broken fingers. Who knows how many, but it says broken fingers, and that he's in a soft cast or a wrap. And from the PC race team Instagram saying, quote, following an injury in San Diego, Ty Masterpool will not compete in Anaheim this weekend. Updates on his recovery soon. I mean, this sucks. I mean, everyone already knows he is not a supercross specialist. He earned this ride as the fill in outdoors and showing how good he is in motocross. And this was not, you know, this is not what he was signed for. He signed to go race in the outdoors, hopefully get a title there, and show his worth in that side of things. Supercross has never been his cup of tea. And it's probably the reason he wasn't on a factory ride to begin with. He just has never clicked with it. Always, just never finished well. And then to come over to San Diego, help the team out, and have what, half a race basically for that crash, and now he's out for who knows how long. I mean, obviously he's not a title contender, so there's no real reason to even rush him back. Because what's the point if he misses the first round, he crashes in this. Technically, I think he finished 21st or something like that, so he's completely out of the points. Finishing, 2 or 3 more rounds, whatever you might be healthy for. I guess you get some SMX points, maybe, if he's healthy and can even finish in a place that gives them. But realistically, who knows? Just bring on Drew Adams. Cole Davies obviously looks incredible on the Yamaha, so why not? Instead of having Drew Adams waste a year racing Supercross Futures again, have him come up, race the rest of the West. He's not going to have any expectations on him. It's just going to be come here, get experience, race against the, quote unquote big boys on race speed, not the young kids coming up, like which he is, whatever. But sucks to see for Masterpool. I mean, obviously you never want to see anybody get injured and especially something stupid like that. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comments down below. Are you excited for A2? Did you like A1 or San Diego? Are you going to any rounds coming up? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.